Welcome to Swoogo's Unconventional IRL 2023. We have the best customers in the biz, and we are so grateful that you've taken the time out to travel here to Portland to leave your friends, family, and be here with your people.
Uncon, which is short for unconventional, was founded as a space to celebrate all the ways we do events differently, to tease out the sparks of brilliance that will become industry trends 6 months, a year, to 2 years from now.
It's almost like a homecoming, seeing all this family and friends that I haven't seen. The attitude here of the attendees is so open, and they want to talk to you and they want to have conversations about what are you doing with Swoogo and what are we doing, and it's like the ultimate icebreaker. So it's been a wonderful time.
The people in this room have the power to define the future of our industry, and I hope that Uncon will be the start of the next brilliant wave of event innovation.
We decided to bring together 5 of some of our great customers that are absolutely killing the game at this new different. It's exciting, it's nerve-wracking, it's scary, but together we're gonna shape the future of Swoogo and the future of events.
Let's just keep pushing. Let's keep pushing boundaries. Let's connect and build a community and help each other out, and let's all of us do better.
And with that, our 2023 Unconventional IRL has come to an end.